Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve 9th standard real number, chapter number 2. Practice set 2.1. Classify the decimal form of the given rational number into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Here recurring type means which go on continuing, it won't stop. Okay, so I am going to solve question number 1, that is 13 upon 5. So remember student, many students get confused which number will come where. So I am writing whatever the denominator is, it will come here, and the numerator always come inside. Okay, I am going to solve. So as you know, 5 2s are 10. Okay, here 3, here 0. Now we are going to take decimal point, then here 0 will come. Now 5 6 are 30. So our answer 13 upon 5 is equal to 2.6. Classify the decimal form of given rational number into terminating. So this is what it is, terminating. Okay, we got the answer 2.6. After 6 nothing will come, so it is a terminating number. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 2, that is 2 upon 11. I am writing here 11 here, 2 here. Okay, as you know that 11 is bigger than 2, so we cannot take 11 ones are like that. So to get the answer we have to take 0 with decimal point, so that we can take 0 here. Now 11 ones are 11. Again here as you can see 0 is there, so it will become 10, and this will become 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Already we have taken decimal point, so we can take 0 here again. So 90 is there. So 11 8s are 88. Okay, as you know that we have to take lesser number compare with the upper one. So I am taking 88. 11 8s are 88. Now here this will become 10 and this will become 8 because we borrow 1 from here. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we got 2. So what we are going to do, we have to, as you know, we have taken decimal point, so we are taking 0 again here. So again we got 20. Then again we are going to take 11 ones are 11. Okay, again this will become 10, this will become 1. Again we will get 9. Again we will take 0. Again 88. Okay, so 10 8. Again we will get what? We will get here 2, here 0. So as you can see, it's go on these numbers are coming again and again. Okay, it's going to repeat. The repetition will be continue. Okay, so it is a non-terminating type, and that is also non-terminating recurring type, because this number is going to be continue and there is no end for that. So I am writing here 0.1818. We can write in this form also. We can put bar, because we know that it's go on, it's not going to stop because of non-terminating recurring type. So repetition will be continue. Are you getting me, student? What I want to say that again we will take, again the same number will come 18181818. So it is what? It is non-terminating recurring type. It's go on repeating and repeating. Okay, so it is non-terminating recurring type. Question number 3, that is 29 upon 16. 29 upon 16 I am taking now. Here 29, 16 ones are 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So as you can see, 16 is bigger than 13. So we have to take decimal point. We are taking 0 here. Now we got 130 here. Now we will see whether in 16 number 130 or less than 130 number is coming or not. So we are going to take 16 8s are 128. Okay, now here as you can see, this will become 10. Okay, and now this will become 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2, 2, 0. Okay, again here 0. Okay, now as you can see, we have taken decimal point, so again we can take 0 here. Now again 1s are 16. Now again this will become 10, this will become 1. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, now again as you can see, we have taken decimal point, so again we can take 0 here. Now 16 2s are 32 we are taking. Now again minus, this will become 10, this will become 3. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Here 0. Okay, now again we are taking 0. Now 16 5s are 80. Okay, our answer is 29 upon 16 equal to 1.8125. It is a terminating. Okay, this is what? This is a terminating. Now question number 4, that is 17 upon 125. Now as you can see, denominator is bigger than numerator. We have to take 125 here and 17 here. So as you can see, this is very small, so we have to take 0 and decimal point, so that we can take 0 here. Now 125 2s is more than 170, so we are taking 125 ones are, that is 125. See, 125 table is impossible, we are not going to learn. So what we have to do, we have to go on multiplying with 2, 3, 4 to get the answer. So what I am doing, 125 ones are is 125. Okay, now here this is 10 and this will become 6. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, now as you can see we have taken decimal point, so we can add 1 0 here. After adding, again we have to take whether 450 is coming in 125 table or we have to take less than 450. So 125 3s is 375. Okay, now here this will become 10, so we borrow, so it will become 4. Again this will become 3, so it will become 14. Okay, now 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 7 will give 7 to us, and this is 0. Now again we are going to take 0 here. Now 125 6 750, we got the answer. Now in decimal form, so 17 upon 125 is equal to 0.136. It is a terminating type. Okay, now we are going to move fifth, that is 11 upon 6. Now here I am taking 6 and 11, so 6 ones are 6. Okay, now answer will be here. 11 minus 5 is what? Sorry, 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, now we have to take decimal. I will get 0 here. Now 6 8s are 48 here. Then this will become 10, this will become 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 4 0. Again we have to take decimal. Again we have to take 0 here. Now it will become 20. Now 6 3s are 18. Again we will get 2. Again we will take 0 here. Again 6 3s are 18. Again we will get 2. We'll take 0 again. Then again 6 3s are 18. So it's go on repeating the number. If you see, it's go on repeating. Will not get, there is no end for this. So I am writing here 11 upon 6 is equal to 1.8333. So there is no end for it. So it is non-terminating recurring number. So question number 1 of practice set we have finished. I hope you understand what is terminating and what is non-terminating recurring number. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.